In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files in Figma. Start by opening Figma and going to your dashboard. From there, navigate to your drafts or the workspace where your file was originally located. If you recently deleted a file, look for the Trash section. This is where Figma temporarily stores deleted files. Open the Trash folder and find the file you want to recover. Once you locate it, right-click on the file and select Restore. The file will be returned to its original location in your Drafts or Project folder. If you can't find the file in Trash, you may need to check with your team or workspace admin, especially if the file was deleted from a shared project. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted file in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.